This is Dave Sherman and Taylor Fairman, and we're going to give you guys a tour of Quizlet today. So once you find Quizlet in your browser, you'll click on it. And it is best that you create an account for Quizlet, so I'm going to sign into mine. Once you're signed up for Quizlet, you have the opportunity to create a study set, so you could study for any subject that you're learning, or you can create a class and invite your friends to join the class.
Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to create a study set. So you can make a study set for any subject that you'd like. So what we're going to do is we're going to make one for United States presidents. Now the convenient thing about Quizlet is that when you type in a term such as Abraham Lincoln, it'll automatically give you choices that you can choose from. And over here we can choose from a variety of things such as 16th President of the United States State of the Union, or these shorter versions. So I'm going to choose this one. And I'm just going to create a few more, that way we have some type of study set to look at. Okay, so I filled in the presidents, and now I'm going to show you how we would use the set that we created to study from. So you would just simply hit create after you filled in all the terms that you want to learn. And they also give you the option to share the link on Facebook or on Twitter, which is very helpful because if you have friends that are in the same class that are trying to study the same subject, you can let them join in with you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the tools that are available for us to study each of the sets. So the first one is flashcards. So you would just click on flashcards, and our terms will come up with their definitions. So you will just hit the space button, or you can click on it and it'll show you the flip side of the flashcard. Okay, so the next way we can study it is by clicking the Learn tab. So the Learn tab gives us multiple choice questions, so we can use the term and then do the definition. Alright, and it lets you know if you got it wrong or right. And the next one is the Write tab. So the Write tab is like a short answer, and they give us the definition and we would just write in the term. And we got it correct, so it'll tell you on the side, it tells you how many questions are remaining, how many we got incorrect, and how many we got correct.
The next icon is spell, and when you click on spell, it gives you a term or definition, and you have to spell out the correct answer to it. The next icon is test, so when you click on test, it offers you written questions, multiple choice questions, true or false, and if you need to, you can mess around with the options. And for the purposes of this test, I'm going to take away the written portion and just leave matching, multiple choice, or true or false. So I'll create a new test, and then I'll have my matching, my multiple choice, and the true or false. So now that we have gone over the 5 study tools that you can use, we're going to go over into the play tools. So these are more like games. So the first one is match. And in match, you have to match all the terms. So the 32nd President of the United States, and you'll click that and you match them, and you have to beat the best score possible. The next game is Gravity, which is another cool and fun way to learn about the terms in your study guide. So when you get started, you're going to have the rocks or the asteroids come near you. And when you read their definitions and terms, you have to type in your answer. And when you get the correct answer, the asteroids will disappear.
In conclusion, Dave and I would like to say that Quizlet can be a very useful tool for children of all ages to use in the classroom setting.